Are you ready to get the most out of your JungleScout subscription? In this quick guide, we'll walk through the key features and tips that can help you leverage JungleScout's full potential to make better decisions and maximize your Amazon FBA business. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to boost your product research, optimize listings, and streamline your workflow. First off, if you're new to JungleScout, it's an all-in-one tool designed specifically for Amazon sellers. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your business, JungleScout can help you find winning products, validate your ideas, track your competition, and optimize your listings. Now, to get the most out of your JungleScout subscription, the first thing you'll want to do is master the product database. This is your go-to tool for discovering profitable product ideas. You can filter through hundreds of thousands of products based on key criteria like sales volume, reviews, price range, and more. You'll want to set the filters according to your niche, product preferences, and competition level, which will help you uncover opportunities that are both in demand and less saturated. Next, use the product tracker. Once you've identified a product idea, you'll want to keep tabs on its performance over time. The product tracker allows you to monitor competitor products, track sales data, and watch price trends. It's critical for understanding how a product behaves in real time and helps you stay ahead of trends or spot any shifts in the market. Don't forget about the Keyword Scout tool. Keywords are at the heart of Amazon's search algorithm, and understanding the right keywords for your product can make or break your listings. JungleScout's Keyword Scout provides detailed keyword insights like search volume, competition, and relevancy, so you can optimize your product listings for maximum visibility. Combine this with the Listing Builder tool, and you've got a winning formula for creating product pages that convert. Another powerful feature is the supplier database. This is especially valuable if you're looking to source products from reliable suppliers. You can use this tool to find manufacturers who produce the products you want to sell, and you can filter results based on their sales performance, location, and reputation. The supplier database takes the guesswork out of sourcing and helps you find the best partners for your business. Now let's talk about the sales analytics and profit tracking features. JungleScout's Sales Analytics lets you track your revenue, profit margins, and other financial metrics. With this, you can easily identify which products are performing well, where you can cut costs, and how to increase profitability. Finally, if you want to automate your workflow and save time, use the alerts and notifications that JungleScout offers. Set up alerts for products you're tracking and get notified of important changes like price drops, inventory updates, or sales spikes. This helps you stay on top of the market without having to manually check every product all the time. And just so you know, you can start using JungleScout for free with our exclusive trial. You'll get full access to these features and more, so you can hit the ground running and make the most of your subscription. Remember, the key to getting the most out of your JungleScout subscription is consistency and data-driven decision-making. Whether you're doing product research, tracking sales, or optimizing listings, JungleScout's suite of tools will guide you through every step of your Amazon FBA journey. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the first link in the description below to grab your extended free trial. Dive into all the features I mentioned today and start building your successful Amazon business. Happy selling!